Modern therapy costs hundreds, but Buddhist monks have used free techniques for over 2,000 years to treat anxiety, depression, and trauma. These ancient techniques may not replace professional therapy for everyone, but for many, they've offered deep healing. Now science finally agrees. They work. Stay here, because in the next few minutes, I'm revealing 5 ancient Buddhist practices that can change your life and even replace therapy. Welcome to Inner Peace Project, where ancient wisdom becomes your path to peace. If your mind feels heavy, scattered, or stuck, this is the sanctuary you've been searching for. Technique 1: Mindful Breathing, Anapanasati. Feel your breath right now, in and out. This simple act is the first gateway to peace. Buddhist monks call it Anapanasati. Neuroscientists call it a reset switch for your nervous system. In just 10 minutes a day, mindful breathing lowers cortisol, eases anxiety, and sharpens focus. The Buddha said, to breathe in and know I am breathing in is enough to bring the mind home. No therapist, no prescription, just breath and presence. Technique 2: Thought Watching, Vipassana. Ever feel trapped by your thoughts? Buddhist monks don't silence thoughts, they watch them. Vipassana meditation teaches, you are not your thoughts. You are the one observing them. This exact technique inspired modern cognitive behavioral therapy. Science shows that thought observation builds emotional regulation and reduces relapse in depression. Close your eyes. Let each thought pass like clouds. You don't follow. You don't fight. You just see. That's how freedom begins. Technique 3: Loving Kindness, Metta. This next one can melt emotional pain faster than years of therapy. It's called Metta, Loving Kindness Meditation. It rewires the brain for empathy, calm, and joy. Say these words out loud. May I be happy. May I be safe. May I be free. Now say it for someone you love. Now someone who hurt you. That's the real healing. The Buddha said, hatred never ends by hatred. Only love can end hatred. And science backs it. Metta reduces PTSD symptoms, boosts serotonin, and shrinks the pain centers of the brain. Technique 4: Embracing Impermanence, Anicca. What hurts most isn't pain. It's believing pain will last forever. Buddhism teaches Anicca. Everything is temporary. Joy fades. Sadness fades. Nothing stays. Say it. This too shall pass. MRI scans show people who embrace impermanence experience faster emotional recovery and stronger resilience. The Buddha taught, all things arise and pass away. Understand this, and you will be free. Don't resist change. Let it carry you to peace. Technique 5: Right Intention, Samma Sankappa. This one is invisible, but powerful. Right intention is the quiet force that shapes your entire life. Each morning, before the noise of the world begins, say, today I choose peace. Today I choose love. That choice rewires your brain. Psychology calls it intentional cognition. Buddhists call it awakening. You become who you intend to be. You don't need to climb a mountain. You don't need a guru. These practices are here, now, inside your breath, inside your awareness. The Buddha didn't just teach philosophy. He taught tools for transformation. And today, science confirms what monks already knew. Healing begins within. If this awakened something in you, don't let it fade. Subscribe now and join our growing circle of mindful seekers. Every week, we bring you timeless Buddhist wisdom to calm your mind and guide your soul. Let's walk this path together. Until next time, may you be happy. May you be free. May you be at peace.